Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be making rabbit Alfredo, and this is the first time I've ever cooked rabbit, so I am going to be following a recipe. I think we found it from MeatEaters website. So the first thing that I need to do is braise my rabbit. Alright guys, so I have my Dutch oven here on a pretty high heat. I also have my oil. So we're going to put the oil in, and that's what we're going to braise our rabbit in. Now, I have my rabbit already cut up over here. We have our back leg. Our front leg here, and then we have our back strap. Alright, so that does make quite a mess, but we're going to braise this on all sides and make sure that it's nice golden brown, and then we're going to take it out of the pot. Alright, so now that I have my rabbit braised over here, we're going to get together the rest of the ingredients, because this is going to cook in the oven for about 2 hours. So let's get that together and I'll show you what else we're going to put in that pot. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. I had to turn the vent on so that I could get rid of some of this smoke in here from braising the rabbit. It did get pretty smoky. But I have the rest of our ingredients here, and we're going to put it in the same pot and saute those ingredients for about 30 seconds, and then it's going to go to a simmer with our stock. Now, I don't have rabbit stock. This is the first time that I've cooked rabbit, so I'm using chicken stock, so I hope that'll work. Alright, so here I have this on a medium heat so that I can get all of my vegetables sauteed. I have onion, some carrot, some celery, some thyme, bay leaf, some salt, black pepper, some garlic, and some apple cider vinegar. Alright, so let's get that sauteed up. Oh, that is smelling very good. Alright. So now that we have that sauteed, we are going to add in our quart of chicken stock here. And this is going to come up to a simmer And once this starts simmering, we're going to add in our rabbit. Now, let me tell you that this recipe that I'm following comes with a recipe to make your own Alfredo sauce. We are taking the easy way out today, and I am using just some store-bought Alfredo sauce. Just because I don't have all the ingredients to make fresh Alfredo, so I'm hoping that this will taste good. I added the garlic and the other ingredients to hopefully make sure that it's got the same flavor going on. But right now we're waiting for our stock to come up to a simmer, and like I said, we're gonna add the rabbit, and then we're going to add the Alfredo, and it's going to bake in the oven for about 2 hours. All right, guys, our stock has come up to a simmer. I am going to add in our Alfredo sauce. Let's get that stirred in there. Ugh. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. Alright, so now I have my braised rabbit over here, and we are going to put that right into our sauce. Alright, now that that's in the Dutch oven and it's all in the sauce, we have our oven preheated to 350, and this is going to cook in the oven for about 2 hours. So in the meantime, while this is cooking in the oven, I am going to get my fettuccine noodles all boiled up and ready, and I will come back and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, our Alfredo rabbit is done. Take a look at this. That looks so good. Ooh, look at those rabbit pieces. The Alfredo sauce smells amazing. All right, so I have my noodles. Ooh, hold on. I have my fettuccine noodles already cooked, and I have garlic bread in the oven. So as soon as my garlic bread is done, we will get this plated up and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, everything is ready. I have my Alfredo rabbit pasta and my garlic bread. Let's take a look at that. It looks amazing. It's right here. It's nice and tender with our garlic bread. All right, let's try it. That tastes so good. Again, I got this recipe from MeatEaters, and this is the first time I've ever made rabbit, and it's actually really good. I'm really surprised myself. Well, I am waiting for Eric to come back. He is at the homestead. And just in case you guys haven't noticed, I am at the house where we are house sitting for a couple months. So I'd like to thank Ann and Rich for letting us stay here and house sitting for them. This made it all possible. This kitchen is absolutely wonderful to work in. And it was so easy to put this meal together because I had everything at my fingertips that I needed. Much easier than cooking out of an RV. So again, guys, thanks so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you guys go and try this recipe. It's really good. All right. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.